Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes ended with slim gains in a holiday-shortened session, helped by a surge in Tesla and strength in bank shares as the second half of the year kicked off on a subdued note. Shares of Coinbase, the largest US cryptocurrency platform, jumped 13% after exchange operator Cboe said it was working with the crypto company in its effort to launch a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Tesla is roaring back from a dismal 2022 as company shares were driven higher by a spike in second quarter deliveries. Shares jumped to a new high for 2023 after the electric car maker said its deliveries in the most recent quarter rose 83% compared with the same period last year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 04:30 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 04:30 GMT. Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.